In the first week of the Middle East war, I took these oil trades and this is how it ended. But the crazy part is these trades weren't random. They were a clear reason oil moved and most people missed it. I looked at different platforms like all this forex and all these trading groups, and I noticed that most of them were not even taking oil trades. Most of them were just taking gold trades, and I was like, are these people hiring updates from people and all of that? But I'm here to give you a breakdown on where I took the trades and how it ended. As you can see on my screen, some of the screenshots of the trade. So I entered this trade with 60 euro. I just was like, this was the amount I could afford to risk. Remember, I always tell you that don't trade with an amount that you cannot afford to risk. So I raised 50, 60 euros and it rose up to about 1,500 euros in like 2 days in equity. That was like a very crazy and massive trade. I've never traded something like that before because immediately I took the trade, there was zero drawdowns. Prices were just going up, going up. They went from 78 UK oil when I took the trade to US oil and UK oil. That's Brent and WTI. So it went to over $100 from like $78, $85 to about 110, at 112, 100 and 112, $114. So it was a very high movement and it was with the least lot size I could think of trading with the least. So imagine if I had invested more and traded with a higher risk, I would have been looking at maybe 5,000 euro or something like that. But after some time, the I started adjusting my stop loss. I adjusted my stop loss to like 100, so to show how massive the profit was. So you can see how I started with 60 euro and how I some of the trades went and I did some withdrawals. And right now the market is currently not moving as sharp as it should be, like as sharp as when it just started, like the first and the Friday of the first week of the war. It's not moving like that. Market is actually a little bit stable now. So I'm going to explain everything to you and what some of the reasons I believe why the oil price went down. So I'm going to go um, to the to trading view and just show you a little bit of the reason why I took some of these trades. So stay tuned. So at the end of the video, if my video gets up to 150 views, I'm going to be supporting new traders or old traders with about 10 euros from the trade I made. And all you just need to do is to drop your broker in the comment section, or if you are not yet registered with a broker, I'll be pinning some brokers which you can use. I'll share some links that you can use, some trusted brokers that I use. So stay tuned to the end of the video while I show you my analysis on this trade. So let's get right into it. So here here is the reason why I took the trades. You can see I actually drew some lines here dating back to as far back as 2023. That was when I just initially entered the trade around this point here. So I'm going to be showing you how I took the trade. So you can see that the prices broke the prices of recent times. So I did some videos explaining indicators you can use. Something indicators called support and resistance. So if you don't know about support and resistance, I'll be showing you in the top of the screen there, so you can go and watch the video on support and resistance. It's a short video, less than 3 minutes. So this is how this is what made me take the trade here when I saw that it broke the resistance level of previous years of 2023. So I just like let me jump into the trade. This is just on the 1 week chart as you can see, and I also drew this line showing that the trend was going up. So let me put it on the 4 hour chart because I like to use 4 hours and daily chart. So you can see it on the closer notes. So yeah, this is around when I took the trade, and from here it skyrocketed and pretty much went up. This was like the second day of the trade. Actually, many traders took the trade immediately the war started. You can see the war started early March. So you can see the dates below there. So immediately the war started, some people took trades and went up, but I didn't take trades until Friday. I was still making some YouTube videos and I was like, this is an opportunity for me to take this trade and be in massive profits. So took the trades right about here. So it went up like first day I was on like 200 euros equity. Then when I took the first two trades, like I took in UK oil and US oil, the charts are pretty much almost the same. So I was then opening some more trades. When I reached here, I opened some more trades. So as it went up, as it was breaking uh, the support line. Let me go back and show you what I'm trying to say. So breaking the support line, started taking more trades. Let me go to 1 week chart. So you can see here, as I was breaking the line, I was taking, yeah, once it broke the 100 line mark, you can see this like another level in which prices touch most times. So once it broke here, I took some other trades. So, but I then put my stop loss at 100. So I didn't really take more trades, but the equity was much. Took some trades. I closed some before um, it's reached. It reached the take profit. I didn't even put take profit. I left most of them open, but I adjusted my stop loss as it was going up. So let me go back to the daily and 4 hours charts. As you can see right now, I also drew a line there showing the what they call it, the trend. You can see right now it's on an upward trend. So let me extend the line. Let me see if I can extend this line. You can see it is just basic thing that you can do by yourself. If you are new here or new to trading, you can see it's basically going on an upward trend. You can see it's going like this. Prices are touching here, touching. Once it touches, it goes back up. As you can see, the price has touched here again. So I have a feeling it's going to go back up. So I'm going to be showing you a screen recording of me opening the trade. Probably by the time I finish editing the video, the results will be out. Or maybe, yeah, maybe I would have gotten the results. So currently, the markets are not moving. It's not as volatile as before when I took the first trades. So right now I will even be showing you some trades. Like around here I took a short trade because I noticed that the prices are, once it reaches here it comes back. Let me draw another line. So you can see prices have been going like this. So once it reaches a particular point, like if the price goes up and reaches somewhere around here, it's going to come down. Like let me go in. Going to be in like the future or something like that. Yeah, something like this. This should be a good one. Yeah, so I should be expecting if the price reaches somewhere around here, if it goes up back, it's going to come down here again. So that's the trend of the market right now. You need to study market trends. And also my prediction is that if this war is going to be over soon, prices are going to drop down to right around here. So I still see a much massive falling in oil trades. So I'm going to be showing you on Instagram. Yes, what's made the trades go up. As you can see, let me show you. There are some posts. Yeah, yeah. You can see all these posts. this was the post, some post that this was one of the reasons that made me to take some of these trades on Monday, because I took the first trades on Friday, like four trades to UK or US oil. So Monday, some of these um, incidents when they started targeting their oil refineries and all of that, you can also see the memes, different memes about it even. So let me show you. Yeah, you can see, you can pause it and read. You can see US target traders predict. Yeah, so it's not like you must be an oil trader. You can. I'm not like specifically into oil trading. I just saw the opportunity. I took it. Normally, I would tell you that do not trade um, consistently. Just trade when the opportunity comes, because trading is not something that I can say that is guaranteed. You can see most of all these traders telling you that, oh, you must trade this, you must trade that to. So I would advise you that you shouldn't trade consistently. Just trade when the opportunity comes. And if I'm going to be making a video explaining some of the things you can do online that can guarantee you consistent profit, because trading is win or lose. So you can lose the money you invest. So that's my advice. If you notice that most of these traders, they come online and advertise, oh yeah, follow my Telegram channel or pay some more amount. It's not going to be profitable in the long run. That's my advice for you. There's a reason why these people are telling you to follow their Telegram account. Real traders, like top traders, they won't tell you that. They won't give you the real update. So you can see my update is even coming days after, because I was trying to make the video, but I just said I'll postpone it. But I'll try and release the video tomorrow. Today is 18th of March, so try and release it maybe by 19th. Then I will show you how some of the trades, the latest trade I'm going to take is going to go. So you can see there are so many memes about oil there. So you can see one of the reasons why the prices of oil went up. You can see people commenting. So yeah, there was one funny one. Yeah, this was always portfolio. I was making fun that this was me before and after. So yeah, yeah, it's actually pushed above 100. It reached about 114 or so there about dollars. So yeah, that was it. So this was the tweet that made the oil price go down. Immediately after Trump made his tweet, 5 hours later, the prices of oil went down drastically. You can see here that this was around when he made the tweet, prices of oil went down so drastically. It got down to around 77 or so. Yeah, you can see here is 82. Yeah, it got down to 70s here around this time. But it went down so drastically after I made the tweet. So I'm going to be showing you how to take a trade on Better Trader 4. I'm going to be going to my mobile device now, because it's advisable to. You can also make trades on your PC, but as I'll just show you how to make it on your like mobile device, and how you can come out of the, like, it's easier if you make it on your mobile device, because you carry your mobile device everywhere, so you can actually come out of the trade when you want, close the trade and stuff like that. Don't know if I'm making sense. I'm just trying to see I can do the video and explain as best as I can. I promise I'll be dropping updates here. So that's it. So my prediction is to take this trade here. So I'm going to go to my um, broker now, and my MetaTrader 4 on my phone, and take the trade, and I'll show you as it goes later today.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to my MT5. Like it's actually very easy to do this stuff. Like just go to your MT5 and stuff like that. Like you have it on your um or the Play Store. You go to Play Store, you can download an MT4 or MT5 depending on what you have with your broker. Like it's very easy to sign in and sign up. If you don't understand how to sign in and sign up, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. It's very easy and straightforward. So all you need to do is yeah, you go to yeah, it's all great. That's now. So yeah, you can see these are the two trades I want to take. I'll just click here. Let me see where I'll put my stop loss. Make sure you put stop loss in any of your trades so you won't just blow up your account. So I'm going to put my stop loss right about here. At least I like to give it breathing space. So I'm going to take yeah 89.246. So let me go. This was US oil 89.246. These are you open a trade, new order, then go 89.246. Then I'm going to buy it right now. You can see this is my lot size 0.03. I can reduce it, increase it. If you want to reduce it, just click on minus, or you can type it and edit it, or click on plus to add to it. Or if you want to use a higher lot size, like one, you can use one lot size, or you can use a 0.1. I explained how you can use lot size 0.1, you can use 0.25, depending on the amount you want to risk. But we're using 0.03 here. So you can see my stop loss, and I'll buy it right now. You can see it's been bought. Then I'll also make another trade, K oil. Let me see where I'll put my stop loss. I think I'll put my stop loss right around yeah 97.252. I like to put it on like the third candlestick below the previous candlestick. So 97.252. Let me check. Yeah, this is it. So if you are new to trading, this is how your MetaTrader 4 will be. Then this is where you see this equity, or the one I was telling you about, that rose to like 500, 1,500 euro, more than 1,500 euro after the second day of trading with just 60 euro. So you're trading in something that you can make infinite amount of money with if you're lucky. Like I was, but I told you why I took the trade. It was clear that oil was going up. You know, some of you might have been saying, "Ah, oil is going up, oil is going up. What will we do?" Like you could at least taken a trade. So if the oil is going up, you use the money you use from the trade to spend on the oil. So yes, that's it for today. So yeah, as you can see, it's not even up to how many hours I started editing the videos and making the videos when I took the trade. I don't think it's up to 1 hour or 2 hours. You can see I later kept a stop loss on my trade and it hit it. Let me show you. I kept a stop loss on the trade and he, he hit it. You can see hit it 18 euro and all of that. So this is the other trade that is still open, USU oil. You can see the charts. It's also going massively. I predicted it to hit here. Like that's why I put my take profit. I later put the take profit after. So I can show you how you can close the trade. You can see it's in 30 something. You can see we started the video in like it was like 452 euro balance. Now you can see it's already like 500 euro. So that's like 40 48 euro just today. So Well, these are easy trades that you can take. If you subscribe to my Telegram, maybe I can drop in the updates there quicker. So I'm going to close the trade now since I have a balance of like 500, and I'm just showing you an example of how to close the trade. You can see it's followed my prediction. It's on the bullish trend, and I feel it's going to hit this point where prices have touched several times before coming back down. So yeah, I can show you that you can close the trade before it hits the take profit. So that's how you close the trade. You click on the order, then you see close position here. So once you click on close position, then the trade closes. But let me see if it's going to go back up. Ah, let me just close it, just showing you how it's done. So this is it. With me closing the position here at a profit of 22 euro. All these are in euro cash. You can see 22 euro. So yeah, let me close the position. It goes up and down. The more the price goes in your direction, the more profit you gain. So that's how trading works. It's in 18 now. Anyway, I can close it. 18 euro plus another 18 euro. That's profit anyway. Yeah, that's how to close your trade. So you can see 489. It didn't reach 500 again. I didn't close it at 500. I will just show you an example. So you can see that's how to trade, and this is your balance. Then you can withdraw and open trades or whatever, transfer to another account. Some brokers do that. So if you found this video helpful, do it to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. So if you want to see your trades, all you need to do is go to history, and yeah, all you need to do is go to history. See your trades there from specific time.